Stripe is an online payment platform that allows businesses to accept money from customers over the internet in a secure and seamless way. Whenever someone pays you using a credit card, debit card, or other online payment methods, Stripe acts as the middleman that securely processes the payment, ensures it reaches your business account, and keeps a proper record of the transaction. Stripe is trusted by millions of businesses worldwide, from small startups to large companies, and using it gives your business a professional and reliable payment system. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to sign up for Stripe, enter your business details correctly, verify your identity, use the sandbox to test your setup, and prepare your account to accept real payments without any issues. I will also highlight common mistakes that many beginners make, so your account gets approved smoothly the first time. Now let's start from the very beginning. First of all, open your preferred browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you like. It does not really matter which one you choose, as the steps are the same across all browsers. I will use Google Chrome, but feel free to use any browser you like. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type Stripe. When you search, you will see a list of results and links. Ignore everything else, and make sure to click on the official Stripe website, which usually appears at the top of the search results. Once the website loads, you will see many sections explaining what Stripe does and the kind of services it offers. You can scroll through these sections if you want to learn more about Stripe, but for now, focus on creating the account. Coming back to the top of the page, you will see a navigation bar with options like Products, Solutions, Developers, Resources, Pricing, and more. You do not need to explore these in detail at this moment. We will check them later after the account is fully created and verified. Also, at the top, you will see the Sign Up button. If you already have an account, you can sign in, but for new users, click on Sign Up. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Make sure to enter it carefully, because this email will be used for verification and important notifications about your account. After entering your email, click on Start Now. The page may take a few seconds to load, depending on your internet speed. Once the form loads, you will be asked to enter your basic information. First, confirm your email if prompted, then enter your full name, and after that, create a password. Make sure your password is strong, unique, and something you can remember. Next, you will be asked to select your country. This step is important, so carefully choose the country where your business is located. Stripe supports many countries, so find yours in the list. Below this, you may see an option asking if you want to receive emails from Stripe about product updates, news, and events. This is optional. You can check it if you want updates, or leave it unchecked if you prefer. Once everything is ready, click on Create Account. You might also see an option to sign up using Google. This is optional, and you can choose it if you want, but entering details manually works just as well. After a few moments, your Stripe dashboard will be created. When you first enter the dashboard, Stripe will start asking for your business details. First, it will ask for your business name. This is not optional, so make sure to enter the correct name of your business. Next, you may be asked for your business website. If you already have a website, copy the URL and paste it here. If you do not have a website yet, you can choose to skip this step for now. Then, Stripe will ask you how you want to start using the platform. You will see options like non-recurring payments, recurring payments, or building a platform or marketplace. These options help Stripe understand how you plan to use the system, so select the options that match your needs and click Continue. You may also be shown additional feature options, such as invoicing, subscriptions, or in-person payments. Select the ones that are relevant to your business and Continue. Now comes an important step, which is the sandbox. Stripe provides a sandbox environment for testing. The sandbox is a safe, controlled space where you can explore Stripe's features and test everything without using real money. No payments made in the sandbox are real, which means you can safely try transactions, subscriptions, and other features without worrying about losing money. Think of it as a training ground that helps you get comfortable with Stripe before going live. Stripe clearly explains that you first complete your setup in the sandbox, and later, when you are ready, you can switch to a live account to start accepting real payments. Click on Go to Sandbox to enter this safe environment. At this point, your account has been created, but it is still in test mode, which is completely normal. After this, Stripe will send you a verification email. Open your email inbox, find the message from Stripe, and open it. Inside the email, click the Verify Email button. You may be asked to re-enter your password for security purposes. Enter your password and continue. After a few seconds, your email will be verified successfully, confirming that your account is now fully active. Once verification is complete, you are fully inside your Stripe account. You will see the dashboard with a search bar at the top, along with notifications, help, and settings options. Notifications will keep you updated on your account activities and system alerts. On the left side, you will see sections such as Home, Balance, Transactions, Customers, Product, Subscriptions, Payments, Billing, and Reports. You do not need to memorize everything at once. As you begin using Stripe, you will naturally understand what each section does. For example, the Balance section shows your current money and available payouts. Transactions show payment history, Customers display customer records, and Subscriptions manage recurring payments. At this point, your Stripe account is fully created and ready for further setup, including identity verification and switching to a live account. Stripe will guide you step by step inside the dashboard for these actions. You now have the foundation of a professional, secure online payment system for your business. And once all details are completed, you can start accepting real payments smoothly. Before ending this video, one important note about security. Whenever you are managing financial accounts, entering sensitive business information, or working with online payments, your connection and data security matter a lot. That is where many business owners use trusted VPN services to protect themselves. A VPN helps safeguard your data, keeps your connection private, and adds an extra layer of security when accessing sensitive dashboards like Stripe, especially on public or shared networks. If you want to improve your online security while managing your business, you can check out NordVPN using the link in the description. It is a simple step that can make a big difference in keeping your business information safe.